You always gave me half as much as I gave you. I wish I'd left before I ever got to know you. 'Cause it was all downhill from there. I should have seen right through your distant stares. But you've been stringing me along for too long, for too long, for too long. It's time to break away. Break away. I know I stayed for too long, but hey, time to move along. So you like to keep your options open. Too many fish in the ocean. Too bad you can't handle devotion. 'Cause I know what I deserve, and it's much better than you. You acted like you cared for a hot minute or two. You were mysterious, I was curious. Oh, what a waste of my attention. And it was all downhill from there. Found out I was just another one, unaware that you would just keep stringing me along for too long, for too long, for too long. It's time to break away, break away. I know I stayed for too long, but hey, time to move along, move along. Apparently you like to keep your options open. Too many fish in the ocean. Too bad that your facade was broken.
Memories fade away, wither out, but I can't ignore the ache. Lying deep underground, you must have lost your way. Look around, all we can do now is pray. Make it count. I've lived through what I have it, seen pain you can't imagine. These days it take for granted. We fought hard so you could have them. This truth you hold for ransom, buried beneath the static. No doubt the heart is damaged. Light is cold and love is tragic. Yeah, love is tragic. We wait up for the dawn, through the night, though our better days are gone. Made our peace, said goodbye, 'cause the further we carry on, through the fight, the stronger that we become. I've lived through what I haven't, seen pain you can't imagine. These days you take for granted. We fought hard so you could have them. This truth you hold for ransom, buried beneath the static. No doubt the heart is damaged. Light is cold and love is tragic. Ooh, yeah, love is tragic. wish I could walk away. Wish I didn't have to see your face again. I wish I could, but I can't. I wish I could just say no. Wish I knew how to tell you what I want. I wish I could, but I can't. It's been killing me. Oh, it's been killing me. If only I could go back, only I had known that you would break me down, down, down. If only it were easy to hurt you like you hurt me, maybe we wouldn't be here right now. You would break me here right now. Here right now. Now. I wish I could tell the truth. Wish I didn't have to play pretend with you. I wish I could, but I can't. I wish I could make things change. Wish everything wasn't stuck this way. I wish I could, but I can't. It's been